Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you the signal trading service which allows you to follow the analyst signals with one click and monitor their execution from a single interface. Signal trading fully automates and simplifies your trading process, making it more profitable and reducing the risk of drawdown on your deposit. Let's go through step by step how to use this service. First, you need to log into your account on the CryptoRobotics platform. Then navigate to the signals section. You will see a list of all signal channels and data on the performance statistics of their signals. At the top, you will be able to see two tabs. All channels. This is a list of all signal channels on our platform. And My channels. This is a list of all signal channels you are currently subscribed to or have been subscribed to in the past. Let's examine the information in the All Channels tab. Here you can find all the information for each channel, its trading statistics, and the price for a monthly subscription. Let's take a closer look at a channel from one of the analysts. In the channel card, you can see the channel name, the list of supported exchanges, the channel description, average monthly profit, total number of signals for the entire period, number of active signals, a chart showing the channel's profit over the last year, and the subscription cost. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you will see two buttons, subscribe and view statistics. To view the signal archive for a channel, click the view statistics button. If you want to start trading based on this channel's signals, click the subscribe button and make the payment for the subscription. If you are already subscribed to the channel, you will see your subscription expiration date and a trade button. After clicking the trade button, you will be redirected to the channel's page. At the top, you will see brief channel statistics and a button to renew access to it. In the central block, you will find more detailed statistics on all signals, the target achievement percentage, the average profit for each target, the average trade cycle, the average number of signals per day, signal profitability dynamics, and a chart of the signal frequency for this channel. Let's start with the left block. Here you will see the number of all signals released by this channel, as well as the number of successful, unsuccessful, and current signals. To the right is a block displaying the achievement percentage for each target. This block shows the average achievement percentage for each target set by the analyst. The analyst releases a signal with take profit targets. Each signal will have one or more targets. Next, you will see a block displaying the average profit for each of the presented targets. Next, you can examine the average trade cycle indicator, in other words, the average execution time of one signal from opening to achieving the final target, and the average number of signals per day in this channel. The bottom left block shows the dynamics of signals profitability in percentage by day. The chart displays the cumulative value for each day, all maximum targets achieved per day to the recommended number of lots. Only completed targets are included in the signal profitability calculation. On the right, a signal frequency chart is displayed. It shows the number of channel signals per calendar day. These statistics will help you correlate all risks and potential profits so you can choose a strategy to follow. You can also review your own trading statistics for this channel's signals. The statistics include all orders you previously placed, open, successful, unsuccessful, and cancelled. Now let's move to the bottom block. There you will find three tabs. Current signals. These are signals where entry points are still relevant or signals that are in progress. Signal history. These are signals where all targets were achieved or signals that became irrelevant for opening trades on them before entry. And My trades. These are channels signals that you have entered. Let's first examine the current signals tab. Here you will see a list of active signals you can enter, as well as signals whose execution is in progress, which means that at least one target has been reached, but the signal has not yet completed its execution. In the table, you will find the following information for each signal. Signal ID, trading pair, signal date, open range. Entry points are indicated within a price range where the analyst advises entering the signal. Closing targets, these are take profit levels, stop loss, the allowable loss level for the signal, exchange, and the analyst's comment. On the right, you will find an icon. Clicking on it will open a chart with a visual representation of the buy range, stop loss level, and take profit targets. In the active section, you will be able to place orders for the signals. Clicking the New Order button will bring up a form with the settings for placing the signal. Parameters when creating a signal. Exchange. By default, the exchange recommended by the analyst is selected, but you can change it if you want to. Purchase price. By default, the price is set to the average value of the buy range, but you can change it manually. Pull the price from the Ask Order book or move it directly on the chart. Amount. This is the sum of one order. Target. Here you can choose an exit point to take profit. You can use the selector to choose the first target, the second, the third, the fourth, or the fifth target. You can also click the checkbox on the chart next to each target, or you can choose a target at your discretion by moving the take profit slider on the chart. And the stop loss. By default, the stop loss set by the analyst is used. You can set your own or deactivate it. For both the analyst and the user, the candle close parameter is also available in the stop loss section. This type of stop loss differs in that the check is performed not on the current price, but on the closing price of the candle for the previous period on the selected time frame, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, or 1 day. The set parameter performs the check if the previous candle closed at a price lower than the specified in the base currency. This way, the trader protects the trade from the possible price fluctuations within the time frame, increasing the chances of exiting the position in take profit. Before making the order, you have the option to select a key if you have integrated several accounts from the same exchange. After all parameters are entered, click the buy button and the order will be sent to work. If you want to place several orders with different take profit levels, go through the order placement procedure again. You can find the orders you placed in the My Trades tab. Once the coin is purchased, you will have the option to close it manually without waiting for the target to be executed. To do this, click the sell button. You can also change the order settings by clicking the gear icon in the right corner. A form will open with the ability to change data for the take profit and the stop loss. If the buy order has not yet been triggered, you can also change the value in the open price section. After changing the settings, don't forget to click the save button. Once the exit signal is triggered and your order is closed, you will see the status executed and the profit percentage for the signal. Now let's take a look at the signal history tab. This is where signals go for which all targets were achieved or signals that became irrelevant for opening trades on them before entry. In the My Channels tab, you will find the analysts you are currently subscribed to and those that you were subscribed to in the past. From here, you can subscribe to the channel again, renew your subscription, and also go directly to each of the channels. That's all for today. I wish you good luck and profits.